Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 10th class maths pair of linear equations in two variables. In that exercise 4.1 I am doing. Two sums I have already done. Now third sum. So the third sum goes like this. Neha went to shop. So let me read the sum for you. Neha went to shop to purchase some pants and shirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she has bought, she answered, the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants purchased, and the number of skirts is four less than four times the number of pants. Means she has not given the direct answer. She has given answer in this way. So you need to find out. The question is help her to find out how many pants and skirts Neha bought. So what is the explanation that she has given? How many number of shirts? First of all, let us take shirts and skirts. Sorry, pants and skirts she has purchased. So let the number of pants consider it as X and the number of shirts as Y. Number of pants, X number of pants she has purchased, Y number of skirts she has purchased. Now, what you need to do, you have to make two equations according to what she has given, according to the uh, statement that she has given. What is the statement? The number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants. The number of skirts Y is 2 less than twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants means 2x. 2 less, so minus. So Y is equal to 2x minus 2. The number of skirts are 2 less than minus 2 less than twice the number of x should be multiplied by 2. Y is equal to 2x minus 2 is the equation. That means 2x minus y, I brought this y here, 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is the equation 1 I have got. And the other one, what she said, and the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. The number of skirts Y is equal to 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. 4 times pants is X minus 4. So this is how she has given. So this equation can be written as 4x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is second equation. So first equation and second equation we have got. Now we need to go for the ordered pairs because graphically we need to solve. So when I have taken 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, I brought y here, y is equal to 2x minus 2. So I have taken x value as 1. So 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So 1 comma 0. I have written 1 and 0. Next, if x is equal to 4, 2 into 4 minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, 6. 4 comma 6. So 4 and 6 here. And second equation 4x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to 4x minus 4. X is 1, I have taken 4 1 the 4 minus 4 is 0. So 1 comma 0. And x is equal to 2, I have taken 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 and 4. So these values I have kept in the graph. So first 1 comma 0, this is the point 1 comma 0. Next 4 comma 6, this is 4 and 6 is here. So this is the line that I have got. 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation for which I have got this line. Next 1 comma 0, again the second equation also has got 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 4. This is 2 and this is 4. So this is the line that I have got. The scale I have taken 1 centimeter is 1 unit on x-axis, same on y-axis. So these two intersecting lines they are intersecting at 1 comma 0. So that means x value is 1, y value is 0. X value is 1 means what is x? We have talked about pants. So number of pants are 1, number of skirts are 0. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please do it in the graph. If you do, you will get it. Now, children, fourth problem we will see. Fourth problem is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, then find the number of boys and girls of the uh, number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. So there are 10 students of class 10. They have taken part in mathematics. So we don't know what are the number of boys and the number of girls that are taking part. So 10 students have taken part. 10 students of class 10. So let the number of boys is x. We don't know, so we are considering the number of boys as x. Then the number of girls. The number of girls I have taken as y. So according to the problem, what is the total number of children are 10. Boys and girls together 10. So x plus y I have taken as 10. That means x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Next, what they said, the other point, if the number of girls is 4 more than boys, number of girls, y, girls are y, no, y is equal to 4 more than boys, boys are x, x plus 4. So this is the second equation, x, y I brought it here, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So these two equations I need to solve graphically. So when I have taken x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, y is equal to 10 minus x, 10 it goes there, plus 10, x plus x becomes minus x. So y is equal to 10 minus x. If y is equal to 10 minus x, I have taken x as 2. If x is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. So x is 2 means y is 8. If I take x as 3, 10 minus 3 is 7, x is 3, y is 7. Similarly, the next equation, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So I can take it as x plus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to x plus 4 means if x is equal to 6, I have taken 6 plus 4 is 10. If x is equal to minus 2, that means minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So minus 2, 2. So these are the values that I have taken, and this I have put it in the graph. So in the graph, what are you doing first? 2 comma 8. See, this is 2 and this is 8. This is 2 comma 8 point and 3 comma 7. This is 3 and this is 7. So this is the line that I have got for x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Next, 6 comma 10. So this is 6 and this is a 10 I have taken, and minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 is here, minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 is here, another 2 is here. So this is the line that I have got, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. These two are intersecting at a point, that is, this is 3 and 7, 3 comma 7. So solution is 3 comma 7. What is this? 3 belongs to x, 7 belongs to y. So x is what? Number of boys. So number of boys are 3 and number of girls are 7. So we have got it graphically in this way, children. Please note it down. Here again scale. Don't forget to write the scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So please note it down and do it in your graph. Now, fifth problem, children. Fifth problem is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, and 7 pencils and 5 pens cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Pencils and pens. The together cost they are giving. So 5 pencils and 7 pens are costing 50 rupees. 7 pencils and 5 pens are costing 46 rupees. So let us see how you can do it. See, let us consider pencils as X. Pencils number I wrote X, pens number Y. According to the problem, 5 pencils and 7 pens cost 50 rupees. Means 5 pencils means 5 into X, 5X, plus 7 pens, 7 into Y, 7Y is equal to 50. That means 5X plus 7Y minus 50 is equal to 0. This is first equation. And second equation, 7 pencils and 5 pens cost 46. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. 7x plus 5y minus 46 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. So I took first equation, 5x plus 7y minus 50 is equal to 0. That means 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x. So what is y? Y 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x means y is 50 minus 5x by 7. So I took x as 0. If I take as x as 0, 50 minus 5 into 0 by 7, 50 by 7, that I have taken as 7.1. So 0 and 7.1. Next, if x is equal to 1, 50 minus 5 into 1 by 7, that is 50 minus 5, that is 45 by 7, that is 6.4. So this is 6.4. I'm not seeing children, so I'll little bit minimize it. So 3 comma, see, this I have got 1 comma 6.4. So let us see this 1 comma 6.4 is the solution that I have got for it. So 1 comma 6.4 I have taken it here. Now this is 1 and 6 comma 6.4. Similarly, the second one when I take 7x plus 5y minus 46 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 46 minus 7x. So what is y? 46 minus 7x by y. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 0 by 5, 46 by 5, 9.2. So 0 and 9.2 I have got. So now let me see the next part. The next part, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 1, 46 minus 7 by 5, that is equal to 7.8. So what I have got? 1 comma 7.8. So let us go further. So when you take these values, one is x 0 comma 7.1. So 0 comma 7.1 here after leaving 1, because here I have taken x same 1, 2, 3 only. X axis, as here I forgot children, please write. Scale on x axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. So here 0 comma 7.1 is this point, and 1 comma 6.4 is this point. So these two, this is the line that I have got. 5x plus 7y minus 50 is equal to 0. Next 0 and 9.2. 0, 9.2 is here, and 1 and 7.8. 1 and 7.8 is here. This is the line that I have got. These two lines are intersecting at a point 3 comma 5. So solution is 3 comma 5. So what is this 3 comma 5? 3 comma 5 means 3 is x, that is number of pens 5, and number of number of pencils. You have got x is a number of pencils. No, 5, 3 pencils are there, and the number of pens are 5. So that is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. The whole problem is like this. The last one you may not see, so I'm little bit turning the camera so that you can see everything. So this is the sum, children. Copy it. Now, sixth problem, children. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 more than its width, then find the dimensions of the garden. So the question is dealing with a rectangle. So this is the rectangle. The rectangular part, length and breadth. I have considered length as x meters, breadth as y meters. Now, what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B. But what is that they have said? Half the perimeter. Half the perimeter means you have to divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, you are getting L plus B. So, what is that they said? Half the perimeter of the garden is 36 meters. So, L plus B is 36. That is L plus B minus 36 is equal to 0 is the first equation. L plus B means x plus y minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, what is the other point? Length is 4 more than width. The length is given as 4 more than width. That means length x is equal to 4 more plus width is y. So, x is equal to y plus 4. So, x minus y minus 4. See, these two, one goes to the left side, their signs will change. X minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, x plus y is equal to 36 means what I will be getting? Y value. Y value is 36 minus x. The signs will change. So, if y is equal to 6, I have taken 36 minus 6 is 30. So, 6 and 30. If x is equal to 16, then y is equal to 20. So, 16 and 20. So, those are the values that I have taken here, children. And here, x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 means y is equal to x minus 4 minus y. I brought it here. So, if I take x as 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 6 and 2. If I take x as 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 and 4. So, this I need to keep it in the graph. So, when I keep it in the graph, first one 6 and 30. Say I have taken scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is 2 units and on y-axis I have taken, think you are not seeing, so 1 centimeter is 2 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. This is what I have taken. So, now let us see the problem, children. So, here 6 comma 30, this is 6 and this is 30, 6 comma 30 point is here, 16 comma 20, this is 16 and this is 20. So, I have drawn a line, the line has come like this. Next 6 comma 2, this is 6 and this is 2 and 8 comma 4, 8 and 4. So, this is the line that I have got. These two lines are meeting at a point that is 20 and 16. So, solution is 20 and 16. What is 20, children? 20x we have taken, that is length. Length is 20 meters and breadth is 16 meters. This is the answer, children. So, please note it down. Little bit I will reduce so that you can see the total one. So, this is the graph that I have got, children. Please note it down. Now, seventh problem, children. Seventh problem, what is that they are asking you is, they are asking you to prepare equations. We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables x and y such that the graphical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting. See, one equation they have given, that is, say 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. They have given. You need to prepare another equation in such a way that it gives you the parallel intersecting lines. Then the next one, now write two more linear equations so that one forms a pair of parallel lines and second coincident line with the given equation. So this problem is only to write the equations, children. You need not prepare any graph for it. So the question is, one equation is given to you. You have to write the second equation in such a way that you will be getting intersecting lines in one way, and another one parallel lines you will be getting, third one coincident lines you will be getting. So three bits are to be solved here. So the first one, let us see. To get intersecting lines, we know the formula already, we have learnt. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So we have got the equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. That means what is A1? 2. A1 is 2, B1 is 3, C1 is minus 8. So we have got A1, A1, B1, C1 values. Now we have to find out A2 and B2 in such a way that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So I have taken A2 as 3 and B2 as 2. So A1 by A2 is A1 is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 I have got. B1 by B2, B1 is 3, B2 is 2, 3 by 2. So they are not equal. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So that the second equation, see I have got A2 and B2 values now. I should now make the equation. That is A2 is 3, so 3x plus B2 is 2 plus 2y plus C2, you can take anything, plus 8 I have taken. This is the answer, children. So with these two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. If you draw a graph, definitely will be getting intersecting lines. But the problem is not asking us to draw, just we are writing the equations. Now second one is parallel lines. What is the formula to get parallel lines? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. They are not equal. So C1 by C2 is not equal. So I should take A2 and B2 values in such a way that A1 by A2 what I am getting, the same value I should get for B1 by B2. So I took, A2 as 4, B2 as 6 and C2 as 24. A1 by A2 2 by 4, 1 by 2 I got. B1 by B2 3 by 6, 1 by 2 I got. C1 by C2 minus 8 by 24, that is minus 1 by 3 I got. So see A1 by A2 when B1 by B2 are same, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is minus 1 by 3. So the values are satisfying the formula. So what is the second equation? A2 is what? 4. So 4x plus B2 is 6. 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 is the second equation, children. This is the second bit they have asked. Now the third one is to get coincident lines. We will be getting coincident lines when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2, all ratios should be equal. So I should take the values of A, B, C, A2, B2, C2 in such a way that I will get the same value. So I have taken ratios the same I should get. I have taken A2 4, B2 6, C2 minus 16. So A1 by A2 2 by 4, 1 by 2 I got. B1 by B2 3 by 6, 1 by 2 I got. C1 by C2 minus 8 by minus 16, again 1 by 2 I got. So I got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So what is the equation? 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0 is the third equation. So in this way, we are getting three equations. By one equation is given according to the property asked, you can very easily write the other equation, children. Please note it down and do it. Now, eighth problem, children. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. See what is given in this statement. Area of a rectangle get reduced by 80 units. That means first area has got some value and its value is getting reduced. Reduced means minus. Reduced 80 square units. When length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Length value is decreased 5 units, breadth is increased 2 units. Then area will be reduced. If we increase length by 10 units and decrease breadth by 5 units, then area will be increased to 50 square units. So its length is increased by 10 units and breadth is decreased by 5 units, then area will be increased to 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So you should understand the problem very carefully, children. There is a rectangular, what you can say, garden or a rectangular field, which is having some area. Then if its length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is increased by 2 units, area is reduced by 80. So let us see this point. Let the length I have taken x units and breadth I have taken y units, because they have not given any measure centimeters or meters. Usually length and breadth will be in meters, but here units, they said units can be anything. So even I have written x as length as x units, breadth as y units. Then areas of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So x into y square units. According to the problem, length is reduced by 5 units. That means what? Length value is x minus 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. So breadth is y plus 2 units. So what is the area? Then area is reduced by 80 square units. L into B is xy minus 80. Earlier area is xy, from that 80 is reduced. So what you will say, this area is length into breadth. This is length, this is breadth. X minus y into y plus 2 is xy minus 80. So when I multiply x into y, xy, plus into, this is plus into minus, minus 5 into y, 5y, this is plus 2x, plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10. So xy minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is xy minus 80. Xy will get cancelled. Minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 plus 80. 80 I brought it here is equal to 0. So what am I getting? 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal to 0. In a standard form I have written. Okay, this is first equation. Now the next part, I hope I am clear, children. When length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is increased by 2 units, area is decreased by 80, means with the help of that statement we have got this equation, first equation. Second one, what they said, if length is increased by 10 units, then L becomes x plus 10. Breadth is decreased by 5 units, breadth becomes y minus 5. So area is increased by 50 units. That means area is x plus y increased plus 50. So x plus 10 into y minus 5 is equal to xy plus 50. That is xy plus 10y minus 5x minus 50 is equal to xy plus 50. Xy will get cancelled. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. This 50 becomes minus 50 is equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. That means I have changed this. I made this as a plus. If I have to make it as plus, I should change these signs. So 5x minus 10y plus 100 plus 10y becomes minus 10y, minus 100 becomes plus 100 is equal to 0. So all these are divided by 5 now. So I have simplified. I am dividing both the sides by 5. We got 5 by x by 5 is x, 10 by y by 10y by 5 is 2, and 100 by 5 is 20. So x minus 2y plus 20 is equal to 0 is second equation. So first equation I have taken 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 70 is 5y, y is 2x plus 70 by 5. So when I have taken x value as 5, y is 10 plus 7, 80 by 5, 80 by 5 is 16, 5 and 16 is one pair I have got. And if I have taken x as 10, y is equal to 20 plus 70 by 5, 90 by 5, 18. 10 and 18 is another pair I have got. Similarly, x minus 2y plus 20 is 0, x plus 20 is 2y, y is equal to x plus 20 by 2. So, x is 2 I have taken, x is 2 means 2 plus 20, 22 by 2, 11. X is 4 I have taken, 20 plus 4, 24 by 2, that is 12, 4 comma 12. So this we need to represent in the graph. So 5 comma 8, I have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter as 5 units and on y-axis also 1 centimeter as 5 units. 5 comma 16, so this is 5, 16 is here, so 5 comma 16 is this point, 10 comma 18, this is 10 and this is 18. So this is the line that I have got. 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal to 0. Next, 2 comma 11. 2 is somewhere, see, here 5 means one line you have to leave. So I have got 2 comma 11 is here. And then 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12 is this point. This is the line I have got. These two are intersecting at a point 40 comma 30. So solution is 40 comma 30, that is length is 40 units, breadth is 30 units. Those are the measures that we have got for this problem, children. Please note it down. Do it in the graph carefully, you do, because point you have got 5 5 if you take, taking the values very carefully you have to take. Now ninth problem, children. In this ninth problem, in a class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. It's just like earlier problem where bees and flowers are there. So same way you have to imagine 3 students, they are sitting in each bench. What is happening? 1 student is left behind. And if 4 students are sitting in each bench, 1 bench is left behind. You have to find out number of benches and number of students. So first I am considering number of benches as x and number of students as y. Now according to the problem, 3 students on 1 bench means 1 y means what? 3. 3x. Students 3x plus y. Number of students 1 y means 1 bench means 3x plus y. 3x plus y, 3x plus 1. So what are you getting? 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Why? When it goes here, minus 5. So 3 into x, number of benches means in 1 bench 3 students are sitting. So 1 bench 3 means 3x, the students becomes the 3x plus 1 student extra left behind. So y is equal to 3x plus 1. Then next one, 4 students are sitting on each bench and 1 bench is left behind. That means in bench 1 is left, means x minus 1, 4 students are sitting. 4 into x minus 1. So y is equal to 4x minus 4 or 4x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is second equation. So 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 3x plus 1. So I took x as 0, 3 into 0 plus 1, 1. So 0 and 1. I took x as 5, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16, 5 comma 16. Similarly, I have taken 4x minus y, minus 4 is equal to 0 means 4x minus 4 is y. I have taken x as 0, then y is equal to 4 into 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. So 0 and minus 4, and I have taken x as a 2, 4 to the 8 minus 4, 4, 2 comma 4. So these values I should put it in the graph. So first one I have taken, I have forgotten to write here also, children, units. So write down units. On x-axis it is 1 centimeter is 1 unit and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Don't forget, children. So scale is very important. So 0, 1. This is 0, 1. 5, 16. This is 5 and 16 is here. So this is the line that I have got, first line. 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4 is this one. Minus are down now. Then 2, 4. This is a 2. This is 4. So this is the line that I have got. 4x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. These two lines are meeting at a point 5, 16. See, this is 5 and this is 16. So solution is 5, 16. What is 5? X. X is the number of benches are 5 and number of students 16. So 5 students, 5 benches and 16 students is the answer for this 9th problem, children. Please note it down. So with this exercise 4.1 is completed. So I think all the graph sums regarding this linear equations and equations are completed. Now we have various other methods how to solve. Solving the equations, you have got one method, graphical method, and other algebraic methods are there, which I am going to teach you in the next class.